BMW introduces the new R1300 GS with a completely new design, new engine, and new suspension. The new BMW has more power and 12 kilograms less weight than the previous model. The new BMW will be available in 4 variants, each with different colors. The basic variant in light white comes with a compact sport windshield, wide handlebars, and a slim passenger seat with grab handle. The basic model starts at $18,895. The triple black variant adds comfort seats, more comfortable passenger pegs, a center stand, and an electronically adjustable windscreen. The triple black package adds $975, raising the price to $19,870. The GS Trophy variant comes in a sporty racing blue metallic, with red highlights, and a white metallic matte rear frame. The GS Trophy adds a rally seat which increases the height to 34.2 inches and comes standard with radiator guards and cross-spoke wheels. Like the triple black variant, the GS Trophy comes in at $19,870. The new BMW is also available in a 719 Tramontana variant in Aurelius Green Metallic. This variant adds cross-spoke wheels with gold-colored rims. The option 719 version starts at $22,090. The centerpiece is once again the legendary 2-cylinder boxer engine. Its new design is more compact than ever before, thanks to a gearbox located under the engine, and a new camshaft drive arrangement. Thanks to this new engine and transmission design, a weight reduction of 6.5 kilograms was achieved. With an engine capacity of 1,300 cubic centimeters, it develops 145 horsepower at 7,750 RPM, and a maximum torque of 149 Newton-meters at 6,500 RPM. The top speed is electronically limited to 225 km per hour, and the acceleration time from 0 to 100 km per hour is 3.39 seconds. The curb weight with basic equipment is 237 kilograms. BMW has also completely redesigned the frame, opting for a sheet metal main frame and a die-cast aluminum rear. Previously, the rear of the frame was made of tubular steel, but the updated frame is significantly stiffer and offers more precise handling characteristics. The suspension consists of a new Evo telelever design at the front and a revised Evo paralever design at the rear. These changes result in more precise steering at the front, along with improved grip at the rear. One of the biggest changes is the X-shaped LED headlight, which combines high and low beams into one unit. With the optional equipment item Headlight Pro, the beam of the standard full LED headlamp turns into the bend according to the banking position. In this way, the bend is almost fully illuminated because the light moves to where the motorcycle is heading. Drivers also get a 6.5-inch full-color TFT panel with a host of electronic driver assistance tools. There are 4 driving modes: Rain, Road, Eco, and Enduro. The optional Riding Modes Pro upgrade adds Dynamic, Dynamic Pro, and Enduro Pro riding modes. The new BMW is packed with a variety of technologies. Among the systems that should be highlighted is the new driving assistant, which consists of active cruise control, forward collision warning, and lane change warning. A radar sensor at the front of the motorcycle detects the distance to the vehicle ahead. If this distance decreases, the system reduces speed and automatically restores the desired distance.